Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT tasks. ChatGPT tasks is going to be a feature or a product from ChatGPT, and it is going to be useful for automating process or automating some tasks, resuming some, let's say, task or doing some task instead of you. So normally, when you are going to have the access to the ChatGPT, you're going to find it in here, but for some reasons, and I think it is going to be that I have only the free plan, you're not going to find it. Normally, when you are going to click on the favicon of your account, you're going to find it right there. So I'm going to give you here a screenshot, and as you can see, it is going to be in here. It is going to be a beta version, and it is going to be included into the paid plan. So how we can use the ChatGPT tasks? Basically, you're going to get this specific creating tasks window into here instead of that, how they can help you with. So you can go ahead and do things in the future. For example, summarize AI news every week, check for cheap flights to Tokyo, keep an eye out for CRG tours dates, and etc. So basically, it is going to automate tasks into the future, or you can go have here some permanent tasks. In case that you're going to have ChatGPT installed into your phone and you do not want to miss that report or the news on every week, and you do not have time to see the articles or the images that you have, maybe you're not going to have the perfect time to click on any of the news. ChatGPT is going to be ordered by typing on the search bar or the prompt bar right there for it. So it is going to be task bar in here called. You're going to put a prompt for having your or summarize the AI news every week and send them as a notification into the app. So you're going to find them in here. Also, it is going to do some scheduling into your calendar. So you can have a calendar integrated within a ChatGPT, or you can go ahead and integrate it with the Google Calendar or Microsoft Calendar, and it is going to have the automation set up. For example, if you are going to have a meeting, you can go ahead and have some resumes, preparation documents for your meeting about something. You're going to give it the topic, also you're going to get the information. You can go ahead and revise the information, and in case that you're going to find something wrong or something missing or something that is not comprehensible a lot, you can go ahead and have another prompt to correct these kind of, let's say, summarization or the task that you're going to be. Also, it is, let's take here the cheap flights, for example, for Tokyo. It is going to have all the coupons or the vouchers that you're going to find on the web that they have published or they will be published in the future if you're going to be interested into a flight, a booking a hotel room, for example, or going to an amusement park where you need an offer for some places. It's going to give you all of the available information about that, and you're going to be, or let's say here, get your own benefits from this app. Also, it is not going to be here, let's say, narrowed to all of the three tasks of these, but it is going to be here as broad as possible as the internet could reach. So that was pretty much it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.